Okay, so we're off to the river today. Like, this is nature. We're walking down to the river. And look at all of the beauty that we get to participate in. And you hear the birds chirping. And I'm glad that I'm glad I wore my palms. Perfect for this weather. Because, they're also eco. They are made out of recycled, the soles are made out of recycled tires. And the leather is recycled as well and dyed. Ponds come from Spain. So I'm very much into life and upcycling and using. And look what I found right there. A huge coconut tree. Look at all the coconuts. Look at all the coconuts on that coconut tree. What I love most is I'm able to identify things. I think this is bamboo. Doesn't this look like bamboo? I believe that is bamboo. It looks like bamboo. It grows like bamboo. I have bamboo at home. What I love the most about nature is that I've been studying so long that I can literally come outside and identify what I'm seeing. When we are connected to nature, we can identify all this stuff. Like, this is a poinsettia. We know it in the States for the holiday season, but look, it's actually growing here in nature. And what is this? Marigold, right? We know it as a marigold, but we also know it as calendula or calendula. It's marigolds. And what do we use it for? We use it for our skin. This is how we invite sacred home. The beauty. The beauty of life. Oh my gosh. I don't know what this is, but those leaves are massive. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Look at here, look at here. What do we have growing here? It looks like some type of the tomato family. The tomato family. Wow. Oh my gosh, look. Keep looking. You'll find even more. We have bananas. We have bananas or plantain. This looks more like plantain growing. Look at this. This looks like plantain to me. It's a little hardier, as you can see, than a banana. Look at the base. I don't think it's a boro. That looks like plantain to me. And with the broadness of the leaves, yeah, that looks like plantain to me. I don't need to know exactly. I'm okay. I know it's from the banana family. I'm willing to explore, and then you'll know. Look at all of this. All of nature living, all the plants living in harmony with one another, all different. Imagine a day when we can live together in the world, all together, like these plants are living. Nature shows us the example of what's possible for us if we just tune in. That's why I love herbalism, because herbalism teaches me to live in harmony. Look at this. We have 2 different plants, 3 different plants all living together. And I always talk about, why do the leaves fall off the trees? Well, we have an example here of the leaves falling off the trees because it provides ground cover. You see all the ground cover? And it's going to provide the next phase of evolution for the earth. This is why. And we hear the sound of the water. And we're going to go through a path to the water. We're going to keep going. It's agua? The
Rio?
We're English.
Oh, okay. The river?
Yeah, river, you go this way.
Okay.
I'll just follow it all the way.
Gracias.
Yes, buenos días.
Follow the trail.
Okay, gracias.
Gracias. Oh my gosh, look at here. Woo! This is amazing.